public and private management. In the administrative context, the management is either public or private in nature. It will always have certain nuances that make it similar, as well as others that mark their differences. This is why a specific treatment is needed for public management and another for private. Let us see a summary of some aspects that mark their similarities and others that point out their differences. Similarities. Public and private management have similarities, mainly, in the following aspects or topics. 1. Dynamics of action. It is done with people. They are the only ones who think, reflect, act and assume their consequences for what they make and do not make. 2. Method. It materializes through the administrative process, known in the modern world as the PHVA cycle. 3. General purpose. Make things happen. 4. Authority. Visible lines of unit of command, levels of subordination and application of the regular conduit. 5. Support or means of operation. All administrative effort requires competent people and availability of resources. 6. Approach or model. The management is carried out by means of the approach or model that best suits the circumstances, convenience, effectiveness or trend. 7. Mission processes and functions. These are carried out through functions and competencies of personnel directly linked to the institution or company. 8. Processes and support functions. In general, they are carried out by contracting with third parties, a mode known as outsourcing. It is very frequent, the contracting in major works and temporary processes. 9. Information. Internal, also called formal or reserved. Not available for persons or external entities. It is used for users, processes and internal operations. Public. That available to the public, external control or monitoring entities and other interested parties. 10. Communication. Formal. It only has validity, any manifestation that has written support. 11. Management control. By means of periodical surrender of accounts, information is given and control is made on plans, projects, operations, and budgets of investments, costs, expenses and revenues. 12. Priorities and decisions. Priorities are adjusted according to the demands of the environment and many of the strategic decisions are taken with support from external consultants and consultants. 13. Dynamics of innovation. Through the culture of continuous improvement. It is based, among other things, on the criterion that everything that is done is susceptible of living. 14. Logistical support. Through suppliers, who supply necessary elements and complementary resources to guarantee their operation. These are 14 of the most important aspects in which public management is similar to private. I hope this material is of some use to you. Thank you.